Begin at 5 with money in your pocket. Sounds like a pretty good thing. Hoosier taxpayers will be getting an unexpected tax refund credit for the first time in 9 years.
The state of Indiana just closed the books on its budget and had a really big surplus. So you're going to get a credit when you file your taxes for next year, 2022.
And we've got Jenny Runovich at the State House right now with how much to expect and why. Jenny?
Bottom line on why, state revenues are up, the economic recovery was much faster than expected, and so Hoosiers will reap the reward. An automatic tax refund credit. You'll get the money when you file your taxes in 2022. Despite all the challenges of the pandemic, state cash reserves jumped big time. The auditor announcing today that Indiana closed the books on the year with almost $4 billion in reserves, had record revenue in the past 3 months alone. So that means the state collected a lot more taxes than it needed, and now they're making a $1.1 billion transfer. Some of the money will go to the teachers' pension fund, and $545 million goes back to us. Exactly how much each person gets depends on the total number of taxpayers in 2020.
We are now going to be able to give back the taxpayers some of their money. We are going to do a transfer of $1.1 billion, which will be split for retirement funding, and the other $545 million will go to the Hoosiers in the form of a refundable tax credit when they file their 2021 tax return.
Now, the last time Hoosiers got something like this was back in 2013. Back then, the surplus was $360 million, and each person got about $111 back. Again, this time, it depends on the total number of taxpayers from 2020, so stay tuned for that number in November. At the State House, Jenny Runovich, 13 News.
Thank you, Jenny. Well, some of you are going to see some extra money in your checking accounts as soon as tomorrow.
And that's when the IRS begins depositing child tax credit payments. Eligible families in Indiana can receive up to $3,600 for each child under the age of 6 and up to $3,000 for every child between the age of 6 and 17.
Parents will receive the payments monthly. There are household income requirements in order to qualify.
About 4 million Americans will get a surprise in their bank accounts. An unexpected tax refund will be sent to people who overpaid on their 2020 unemployment benefits. That money comes out of the $1.9 trillion American Rescue Plan that went into effect after many people had already filed their taxes. Now, for taxpayers who overpaid, the IRS will either refund that overpayment or apply it to other outstanding taxes or debts owed.